Hi, so thank you for your order, and this is the file. You just need to open this file and enable macro. Now I'm going to show you this demo on Mac, and the process is similar in Windows as well. So just click on this input file and it will give you this pop-up to select those, that CSV file. So for me that is this water, this sample CSV file, and if I click choose, then it will update this folder path here. Okay, and then if you set the export location, so I'm going to choose desktop, let's say, choose, and you can modify these as well if you want. Also, you don't need to manually, you don't need to click on this button if you want to manually put the file path in this section as well. So make sure whatever is preferable to you, use that, and you can change this name as well. Now just click on this export button and it will finish the process and it will pop up this message, file exported successfully. And if I look at this section in this Windows folder, and then you can see we do have this sorted. Okay, and that's the sample file. So we have 3 blank rows to 1 blank row and so on. So that's it. Thank you.